Mutaratara mweru wa UGAI wa kigina kia university no uthiete na mbere na kureganwo na guthengia wa mutongoria wa bururi William Ruto kumba kamiti ya andu 129 ya kuthurima niguo kweheria mageca maria ungikorwo namo. Na thiku imwe thutha wa maritwa 129 ma memba kamiti no gucabithio ngatheti-ini ya thirikari, arutwo kuma university wa Nairobi ni mareganite nayo oro undu mwe na mutaratara ucio.
We have cases of students who've decided to defer, whose parents have decided to first collect money. We have some who've deferred, who've done interfaculty transfer from the high-end courses to low courses, like from medicine to teaching or from engineering to some courses which pay less.
I've been placed in Band 4 and my parent is unable to raise the fee because after receiving the help and the government scholarship, I am supposed to pay 172,000 where I am a half orphan, which I have been raised by a single mother.
Akiaria guku Nairobi, president wa kiama kia Arutwo University wa Nairobi Rocha Mazayo ahinyirire kamiti ino yagirirwo ni kuninwo kuona kuri na bodi ya kigina kia university ya HELB.
What you're saying is let every first year who's been admitted to school, let them join in. If you have any calling letter, don't kill your dream because of school fees. I'm sure it's a passing storm, and by the end of the day we shall come up with a solution. So let every first year who is at home first report to school. With time we'll find a solution. Either we refine this model into a way whereby everyone will be happy with it, or we work with DOC.
Arutwo aya ningi moigite ni giconoko a Kenya guthi na mbere na guthoma na ngombo makiuga ni wigirereki wa thirikari kuheana mathomo matari na marihi kuri a Kenya othe.
Why do we need a loans committee when we've been clear as a union and as all universities that we don't want laws, that we want them to give us grants instead? We won't allow our citizens, we won't allow our first years, and we won't allow our parents to pay exorbitant fees and loans for education, which is a right as is enshrined into the constitution.
Leo ni marutite mukana wa thiku 14 kuri thirikari guteyaniria bandi ya kana na ya gatano mutaratara-ini ucio kana uteyanirio wiwothe na gubunjwo kamiti ica ikuhe kumbwo ni President William Ruto kwaga uguo magome na makinyukie ikinya ria kiwatho.
So we're asking the president, the student leaders who are taken to State House to eat chicken, we are telling you that you can eat chicken for now, but there is a time that is coming and you will pay the ultimate price of that chicken. The chicken can be 20,000 shillings, but you will pay it in millions.
We don't need a committee to review appeals when it is the ministry's job. Therefore, as a union, as UN, and I'm hoping that all comrades from all universities will join us into this. We want to issue a 14-day strike notice upon agreeing on the date, where we shall also submit a petition to the court and to the parliament to challenge the implementation for this model. Comrades power.
Kameme TV gikuhe uhoro gitau wa Wanjiku.